Hello guys, so today I'm going to show you a few secrets in Please Donate. Now to see them, firstly what you have to do is just simply open your game. Now just simply launch Please Donate over here by clicking on the play option. Now after you enter the map, the first place where you have to go is directly at the shop over here. So just simply go towards the shop and at the end of it you will find a trampoline. So just simply bounce on the trampoline over here to see the spots. Now as you can see right over there, there is our first stop. You will see a small dot at the map. So that's the first spot, and then there is one as well. So let's first go at the back one over here. So just simply run towards the horizon over here. Now once you reach the horizon of the map, you'll find a strange rock that is hanging outside of the map over here and a strange image at the wall of the map, as you can see it over here. So this was the first secret spot that you may have not known. Now let's move on to the next spot. Now again, once you reach the trampoline near the shop, jump on it to find the second location. So as you can see right over here, the second location is somewhere over here. So after you find the location, just simply go again towards that particular place to see what it is. So start walking towards the horizon again. And as you can see right over here, there is a Halloween pumpkin over here for the celebration of Halloween. So this was the second secret that you may have not known. Now let's move on to the next secret. So to get to the next secret, what you have to do is just simply move inside the map over here and head over to the mic option, which you should find in front of the shop over here. As you can see right over here, and right there near a rock you will find a small image, as you can see right over here. Now just simply move closer to the image and you will find the option of legacy map. Now what this will do is it will allow you to join the very first map of Please Donate. So click on the join button to join the legacy map. Now wait for a few seconds. Now as you can see right over here, you just entered the very first map of Please Donate, and this map is called the legacy map. And as you can see right over here, there are very few people and most of the things are completely blanked because this was just a prototype that the creator was just simply testing with. So this is why it's called the legacy map. Now this was the third secret. Now there is another secret over here if you want to go to, but in order to go to that particular place, you will need to have at least spent 10 roadblocks. So the place that I'm talking about will be found over here near the vent. So if you click on this vent, you will find the secret donators area. So if you click on E and hold, you will be able to go to this particular location. Now over here you will find that there will be a room that is only reserved for the people and donated in Please Donate. And for the last secret of this map, all you have to do is just simply head over to the banner over here. So just simply go towards the banner and you will find a small strange figure at the floor. So if you look closely, it is a small figurine of Among Us over here. So this was the last secret that you may have not known in Please Donate. So that's it, and thank you for watching, and do like and subscribe to our channel and take care.